Guys, it happened. The washer is just gone crazy. It's just gone crazy. There's water everywhere. The apocalypse has happened. Guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like freaking soap everywhere. Life has gone crazy. It's really dark down here. I should probably put the lights. Where are the lights? I don't know how to turn on the lights in here. It's been so long since I've been down here in my freaking basement. Freaking messy everywhere. Anyway, freaking flooded everything. Guys, the zombie apocalypse has started. This is my last video. The zombie apocalypse. Everyone, run for your life. If you don't, you will be eaten by the zams.
I have to watch all that.